Did you have a nice weekend, Tim?
Yes, I did. My Uncle James came to visit us and we went out to the new Italian restaurant, Primavera. We had a lovely time.
I have heard the food's quite good there. But Italian food isn't exactly difficult to make, is it? Some pizzas and a few pasta dishes. Anyone can do that.
I don't know. Not all pizzas are tasty. A fresh pasta's quite difficult to make. I guess it all depends on the ingredients. If everything is made fresh, then of course it's good.
But is it healthy? All that cheese, salami and cream?
It's okay if you have it once in a while. I wouldn't want to eat it every day. If you ask me, there's nothing better than good homemade British food. And of course, the traditional fish and chips from the chip shop. Such good value for money. And really fills the tummy.
I love spicy food myself, like Indian food. I like to get a takeaway at least once a month. It's great to get food delivered to your door and then eat it in front of the TV.
I know what you mean, but I much prefer going out to restaurants. It feels special somehow. And sitting around the table in a new setting, there's usually a good atmosphere. You can relax and take your time to eat your food and chat with your friends and family.
What is the decor like at the Primavera? Is it a pretty restaurant?
Yes, I think so. The walls are painted a lovely warm red colour and the furniture is old-fashioned dark wood. I think you would like it there.
Well, it would be interesting to take a look. Maybe I'll be able to persuade my parents to take me there next weekend.